Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jacky YBT Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you a preview on the Honor 600 cameras and some AI features. Firstly, all the photos that I'm going to show here is all unedited. Yeah, so what you see is what you get, nothing enhanced or anything. Let's talk about the main camera on this Honor 600, which is 200 megapixels with OIS, and the sensor size is 1/1.4 inch. And the way that Honor process the photo is different than it used to be. This time is much more natural. The color is much more true to the reality. No more like pretty harsh sharpening like it used to be. So the color is pleasant. It has a lot of lights. So overall, I'm quite happy with the photo. It's a wide angle lens, but it can zoom in up to 30 times zoom. Because it doesn't have the telephoto lens like the Honor 600 Pro has. So when you zoom it more than 5 times zoom, it actually become much more blurry and not so stable anymore, the photos. A lot of noise. So I'll recommend to not zoom it that many times. Okay, you don't get the AI super zoom feature on the Honor 600 Pro. It will help you to fix the blurry and use it by using AI and then like reconstruct it and make it a clearer picture. That's why you see a lot of photos. Example on the Honor 600 Pro, when you zoom until like 120 times, you are still able to see the text or the image are clear. You can't do that here on the Honor 600. So unless you are the type of person who often go to a concert or sports event or any event that require to zoom in, then Honor 600 might be a bit tougher to take that kind of photo. If you really need that, you might need to go to the Honor 600 Pro. However, the stabilization is pretty good because it has the CPA 6.0. When I film it, videos, walking around, it is stable, quite nice. I don't see any like unstable footage while filming the fish pond. I'm pretty happy about the video recording part. It can record up to 4K 30 frames per second. As for the ultra wide camera, which is a 12 megapixel, it works, but it's because of the 12 megapixel, you kind of lose some of the detail. It's not as sharp, not as detailed as the main camera, but in certain situation, ultra wide camera can be helpful. Yeah, it's an okay camera lens. Just hope that maybe next time they can upgrade it to 50 megapixel like many of the competitors. That would be great. Hope that will be soon down in the pipeline. Portrait mode, 1.5 times and 2 times are the best. 1 time is just a bit too far. Speaking about the AI features, Honor this time really all out, giving you tons of AI features, and the main one, the most outstanding one, will be the AI image to video 2.0. So compared to previous generation, you can only upload 1 image and that's it. This time you can upload up to 3 images plus your own text prompt, meaning you can create whatever you want. The sky is the limit, right? So let me show you. These are the template. If you have no idea really what to do, then you can choose one of the 19 template for you to play with. Okay, so let me select image. For example, I can choose this cat and then a picture of myself holding the cat. Yeah, I can do that, you see. So aspect ratio, you can choose aspect ratio, and then 5 seconds. You can create your own text prompt. Me holding the cat. That's it, simple one. And then click generate. Okay, take a look at that. It took me about 2 minutes to generate the video. Look at that. It's me grabbing the cat. Yeah, looks pretty natural to me. That's pretty cool. Look at that. So let me try out one of the template here, the embrace. So I'm gonna select the kid which is me when I was a little kid, and this image again of myself. Okay, 16 by 9, 5 seconds, and generate. Yeah, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Well, look at that. This is insane, man. Wow, that's me when I was young, like a kid. And now I'm hugging my past. This is insane, man. Only AI can do this. You might be asking, is this AI image to video 2.0 free to use forever? The answer is no. Currently, it's running a free trial where you can use it and generate up to 10 videos per day until 31st of July 2026. After that, it will be limited to 10 tokens per month until further notice. If that isn't your cup of tea, there are plenty other AI features to play around. For example, you notice that there's a button here, the third button that's called AI button, which you can remap it to launch the AI Photos agent. If you are not happy with the photo you taken, you want to edit it, AI Photo agent will help you to edit whatever you want, blur the background. You can even hold to talk and using your voice to change certain thing of your photos. Choose the red apples and change it to black apples. Well, you look at that. Now it's changed it to black apples, from red to black. Before, after, before, after. Look at that. Precisely. There is also a new collage pop-out feature. Just pick a few photos to make a collage and only apply on portrait and pet photo to make a pop-out. Food and other objects, it doesn't apply. And it took me some time to figure out the best layout, lor. It's a pretty fun way to edit your photo. If you want to change the vibe of your photo and simplify the whole color grading process, then this AI magic color will help you. Go to the AI colors and you can choose one of these 3 preset color tone. For example, this warm sunset. I'm going to show you. Okay, take a look at that. That's pretty cool. You can also pick a photo you previously taken or take an image from online to match the color tone. For example, I took this image from online, save it. So I want to use it on this koi fish photo. So right now, we started to analyze it and then apply it. You have to wait. Okay, take a look at that. That's pretty cool. And once you are happy with it, just click save and save as new. There you go. I see you guys comment, I know many of you guys really eager to know what's the price of the Honor 600, the processor, the battery, basically everything about the Honor 600, the spec. Yeah, I understand it. However, I couldn't tell you guys about that because first thing first, I don't know, and it's still in embargo. The phone is not yet released. So please be patient. Just wait for another 2 more days. On the 22nd of April 2026, it will launch in Malaysia, which is ahead of China, a global debut in Malaysia for the Honor 600 series. Okay, thanks for watching. Comment down in the comment section below. What do you think about the preview so far? A lot to improve, but within the rush time, this is what I can do. Thank you for your support. Thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.